if I told you this motorhome could cost more than most luxury homes, but still wouldn't be the smartest one to buy? Because in today's video, we're breaking down one of the most talked about luxury motorhomes on the market. Not just how it looks, but what it's actually like to own. You'll see every major feature, every important specification, what makes people fall in love with it, what most videos never mention, and finally, how much money you would realistically need before buying one. Because buying a motorhome isn't just about the purchase price. It's about knowing whether you'll still love it after the excitement wears off. So before you spend six figures on your dream home on wheels, let's find out if it's actually worth it. Let's get started. At first glance, this doesn't look like a traditional RV. It looks cleaner, more modern, and much more premium than the boxy motorhomes most people are used to seeing. The front end immediately stands out with its bold grille, full LED headlights, and a design that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a house on wheels. Move to the side, and you'll notice something just as important. Every inch of this motorhome is designed to maximize living space without making it look oversized on the road. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light, while the streamlined body helps reduce wind resistance during highway driving. Down below, you'll find large alloy wheels wrapped in all-season tires, giving you the confidence to handle highways, mountain roads, and long-distance trips comfortably. Another feature many buyers overlook is the exterior storage. Multiple compartments let you carry camping gear, tools, chairs, power cables, and travel essentials without sacrificing interior space. And that's one of the biggest advantages of a well-designed motorhome. Your living area stays clean. The moment you step inside, this stops feeling like a vehicle and starts feeling like a compact luxury apartment. Everything is designed to make long trips feel comfortable instead of exhausting. Right up front, the driver's cockpit feels modern and easy to use. A large touchscreen puts navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information in one place, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep your phone seamlessly connected. Just behind the cockpit, the living area becomes the heart of the motorhome. The swivel front seats rotate toward the cabin, creating a comfortable lounge once you're parked. A full dining table gives everyone a place to eat, work, or simply relax after a long drive. And when it's time to cook, you don't need to rely on restaurants every day. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, a microwave, an induction cooktop, and a deep sink, giving you everything you need to prepare real meals on the road. Move toward the rear, and you'll find the bedroom. Instead of sleeping on a basic camping mattress, you get a full-size bed designed for extended travel, along with overhead cabinets, reading lights, USB charging ports, and smart storage built into almost every available space. Even the bathroom is designed to maximize every inch. A dedicated shower.
Now, let's step inside, because this is where a motorhome either feels like a home or just a delivery van with a bed. The first thing you'll notice is how open the cabin feels. Thanks to the high roof and smart layout, you can actually stand up and move around comfortably without feeling cramped. Right behind the front seats is the main lounge area. During the day, it's your dining space, and at night, it quickly converts into an extra sleeping area. That means you don't need a massive motorhome to comfortably sleep multiple people. Moving to the kitchen, you get everything most travelers actually need: a refrigerator, a microwave, a cooktop, a sink, and enough cabinet space for food, cookware, and everyday essentials. Instead of stopping at restaurants every few hours, you can cook wherever you park. That's one of the biggest reasons experienced RV owners save thousands of dollars on long road trips. Further back, you'll find the main sleeping area, a proper bed, surrounded by storage compartments, charging ports, reading lights, and windows that make the space feel much larger than you'd expect.
Many layouts also include a compact bathroom with a toilet, a shower, and enough storage for toiletries, making long trips far more comfortable than most first-time buyers imagine. When you put everything together, you're not just buying a vehicle anymore. You're buying a bedroom, a kitchen, a dining room, and your transportation all in one package.
A modern motorhome isn't just about having a bed and a kitchen anymore. It's also about how long you can stay on the road without depending on hotels or even campground hookups. One of the biggest upgrades you'll find is the roof-mounted solar panel system. Instead of draining your batteries every day, it continuously helps recharge them while you're parked or traveling. Pair that with a lithium battery system, and you can run lights, charge your phones, power your refrigerator, and use multiple appliances without immediately searching for external power. That's a huge advantage if you enjoy camping away from crowded RV parks. Up front, most modern motorhomes now include a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So your navigation, music, calls, and messages stay exactly where you expect them. Many models also include a 360-degree camera system. Considering the size of a motorhome, being able to see every side while parking isn't just convenient, it can save you from an expensive repair. For longer road trips, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all help reduce driver fatigue during hours behind the wheel. And when the weather changes, automatic climate control keeps the living space comfortable, whether you're crossing hot deserts or camping in colder mountain regions. Put all these features together, and the experience feels much closer to driving a modern luxury SUV than the oversized RVs many people still imagine. Now let's answer the question that matters most. Is it actually worth buying? If you're looking at a brand new luxury motorhome, be prepared to spend well into the six-figure range, depending on the model, layout, and optional equipment. But the smartest buyers usually don't shop brand new. A well-maintained used example that's just a few years old can often save you tens of thousands of dollars, while still offering almost the same features and comfort. That's where doing your research becomes far more valuable than simply buying the newest model. But here's the part many videos never mention. Buying the motorhome is only part of the budget. You should also plan for insurance, routine maintenance, registration, storage if you don't have space at home, and a reserve fund for unexpected repairs. Planning for those costs before you buy is what separates a confident owner from an expensive mistake. So, who is this motorhome actually for? If you enjoy long road trips, national parks, weekend camping, or even months of traveling without relying on hotels, this can completely change the way you travel. But if you only plan to use it once or twice a year, renting may honestly make more financial sense. At the end of the day, a motorhome isn't just another vehicle. It's transportation, your hotel, your kitchen, and your home, all in one. And when you understand the real numbers before you buy,